Keep your plunger ready and reliable by following a few simple maintenance steps every time you use it. After each use, rinse the rubber flange and cup thoroughly with hot water and a mild detergent to remove debris and bacteria. Lift the cup and flush the rinse water into the drain rather than the sink so solids do not spread. Dry the plunger by shaking off excess water and patting the rubber with a clean towel, then let it air dry in a ventilated location to prevent mildew and odors. Store the plunger upright on a small drip tray or in a holder that allows air circulation so the rubber does not sit in pooled water, which shortens its life. Inspect the cup and handle weekly for cracks, splits, or softening of the rubber by flexing the cup and running your hand along the handle for splinters or loosening. Any deformity that prevents a firm seal means replace the tool. For long-term care, apply a light coating of vegetable oil to the rubber once every few months to keep it supple, wiping off excess to avoid residue in drains. When replacing, choose a model with a solid one-piece molded rubber cup and a reinforced handle for a better seal and longer service life. Common mistakes include storing the plunger in a closed plastic bag, which traps moisture and causes mold, so instead use an open caddy or ventilated spot that lets it dry. People assume visible cleanliness means sanitary, so they skip rinsing. Always clean after use because unseen bacteria and organic matter remain and cause odors. Another issue is ignoring small cracks until the plunger fails during a clog. Inspect by bending the cup and watching for splits and replace at the first sign of damage to avoid a failed attempt when you need it most. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare profiles, reviews, and community feedback related to plumbing and tool care. We also help contractors connect with local clients and participate in our discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips and solutions.